How to buy more miles on American Airlines. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to purchase additional American Airlines AAdvantage miles, you can buy them directly from American Airlines through your AAdvantage account or potentially through certain partners. So for that, simply visit the AA.com and then log in to your AAdvantage account. Once you have logged into your account, you'll then be able to find an option that says buy miles. Go ahead and simply tap onto it, and just like that, look for an option related to buying and redeeming miles within your account. After you have done that, select the desired quantity of miles you wish to purchase, and after that, follow the prompt to enter your payment information and finalize your transactions. Also, it's important to check for promotions. American Airlines often offers bonus miles or discounted prices on miles during promotional period, so it's worth keeping an eye out of this. Also consider your needs. Evaluate how many miles you need and compare the cost of buying them to the potential value you'll get from redeeming them for flights or other reward. And that is simply how you can buy additional American Airlines AAdvantage miles. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.